138 personal messages and 84 questions from your fans. And everyone wish you happy birthday. Thank you very much. Lots of love, best wishes, and lots of dua and blessing. Thank you. For 84 questions, we choose the 16 best questions. Thanks. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ, besides this, one of your fan, Urju Khan, has sent 15 digital greetings and video edits. So we will mail you. Thank you. Would you like to play a villain or something like a Pagal Premi wala role? This question is from Harshini. I don't know. Depends actually. It can be fun, it can be not nice also. So if it's fun, obviously. Second, one time you said that you are scared of your anger. Yes, I am. So I want to know why. Is your anger very dangerous? And क्या आपको जल्दी गुस्सा आता है? And अगर आता है तो क्या जल्दी ठंडा हो जाता है? This question is from again Zara. गुस्से से डर इसलिए लगता है मुझे क्योंकि हमेशा आफ्टर आई गेट एंग्री मुझे सिर्फ रिग्रेट होता है और मुझे सिर्फ ये लगता है, मुझे लगता है कि इन स्वे ऑफ इमोशंस इंटेलिजेंस डजंट वर्क. गुस्से में आदमी अपना आपा खोल देता है और कई चीज़ें ज़्यादा बोल देता है जो कि मीन भी नहीं करता, बट इन एंगर एंड प्लस फॉर मी माई डे गेट्स स्पॉइल्ड. मेरे को बहुत वक्त लगता है अपने गुस्से से बाहर आने में, मुझे बहुत वक्त लगता है मूड ठीक करने में. आई हैव टू स्लीप ओवर इट. It's a लंबा चौड़ा process. So I generally like not really getting disturbed or getting angry in my life. Thirdly, share your childhood memory that makes you laugh every time you think about. This is from Mimi Chaudhary, Islamabad. I think would be मैं because me and my sister Achu. मेरा नाम हर्षद है, उसका नाम हर्षा है. तो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू वाज उसके नाम के आगे मैं एक डी लगा देता था और बोलता था ये मेरी है. कोई भी चीज़ किताब, और वो कर नहीं सकती थी क्योंकि जब वो डी काटती थी तो वहाँ दिखता था, मैं बोलता था ये काटा हुआ है. सो दैट वाज समथिंग आई यूज्ड टू लाइक टीजिंग हर. एंड नाउ शी इज मेकिंग केक फॉर मी. When are you coming back on TV screen? We are dying to see you. अब बस हो गया, please come back. This is from Mona, Jannat and Hina. कोई अच्छा काम होगा तो आई बी, मतलब इट हैज़ टू बी, आप लोगों को देखने में मज़ा भी तो आना चाहिए. पता चला मैंने कोई भी शो कर लिया और आप लोगों ने ये क्या किया, तो इस डर से मैं रुक के वेट करके अच्छा कोई शो होगा तो अच्छा कोई काम होगा तो आई बी देयर. योर बिगेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ प्राइड एंड बिगेस्ट रिग्रेट इन लाइफ. आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ प्राइड विल बी व्हेन you see your parents feeling proud of what their kids, what I have achieved. So when I used to look at my mom and when I see my dad and when they talk about me, it's very strange. मतलब I know of life and how insecure it can be and how difficult it can be. You get one show, कभी भी बंद हो जाता है ये वो. उन लोगों के लिए मैं बब्बर शेर हूँ. मतलब I am like the I can achieve anything. They don't get all the insecurities and tension are mine and they don't get scared. They feel कि he'll do it. उनका I wish वो confidence मेरे अंदर होता. How does every character of yours affects you? What effect does it have on you? Actually, whenever we get down to doing a character is written, conceived by someone else, and जब एक actor उसे play करता है तो ये कुछ 3-4 लोगों का एक contribution होता है. एक पेपर होता है like this and एक एक्टर होता है जो इस पेपर को डिलीवर करता है. सो इट्स ऑलवेज इन बिटवीन दिस पेपर एंड दिस पर्सन. एंड क्योंकि हमेशा किसी भी चीज़ को प्ले करने के लिए ना कुछ चीज़ें रिलेट करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो रिलेट होती हैं, उसको आप हाईलाइट करते हैं, उससे आप ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हैं. क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी भी होती हैं जिससे आप रिलेट नहीं कर सकते. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ हाउ इट and stays with you. Once you have done a character, once you have done a certain emotion and certain this, it stays with you. So it's always after that it's always the character plus you. So I don't know how more to answer this. We fans are this is from Tarini Parmar. We fans are missing you. Are you missing us? Yes, I am. Can say not for the time being, but yes, I am. Please say something including Suno. This is from Priyanka and Arayana Rai. Same question. So please say something including Suno. So I've said a lot and I'll say Suno. Suno. What do you feel when it's 16th May and 11:59 PM, just 1 minute to go? I think that time I'm locked in my kamra and nobody lets me come out because they want to prepare, they want to do all that last moment. मैं सामने बैठा रहता हूँ, they can't prepare, so they shut me inside and I wait to get out and cut those cakes. And birthday के दिन Shadow को भी केक मिलता था. I think he is more eager कि मैं बाहर आऊँ जल्दी से. It has been 9 years since you entered into television industry. Now looking back to 2006, what do you feel about your journey as an actor? When I look back, I really feel, I don't know how this happened. And I feel blessed, I feel I've been lucky. And I feel that इतना सब कुछ सिर्फ इतने के लिए नहीं है. So there is a lot more to do.
No.
If you were Prime Minister, what is the first thing you would do? I don't know, I'm an actor, I'm dumb. I don't know. From Asha Velani. Where did you learn this cruel way hibernation? Na kabhi dekha na suna, and also why your dil ki ghanti took so much time to ring. This is from Doknas. Actually, hibernation is I think I don't really hibernate. When there is no work, I actually don't like doing anything related to work. I like working on myself, and that space of mine is kind of, I like being alone there. So I like going to my classes and my workouts and my stuff. Do all of that. I like to prepare, and I like to prepare alone. So that is what hibernation is. And यार दिल की घंटी, इसमें मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. सीरियसली, अगर कोई भी काम जब सामने आता है तो घंटी बजती या नहीं बजती है, तो वो काम बजाता है, तो मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है, वो काम की गलती है. एंड हाय अर्शद, of all the roles you have played, I loved Sai the best for obvious reasons. My curious question to you is, would you prefer being the protagonist in the roles you play, or you wouldn't mind taking the antagonist role if the character you portray would be a challenging one for you? See, this is from Nimi again. Nimi from Bangalore. I remember Nimi from Bangalore now. Okay. This, a character has to be challenging, and it has to be challenging in a nicer way. You should be looking. एक challenge ऐसा होता है which you don't like being in that challenge for a longer time. So you want to just win over it and get over with it. उसके बाद you don't want to try. So because television is such a infinite, it's not finite. It's such an infinite thing. I like doing things which are challenging in a nicer way. It should excite me to go to shoot every day and reach there before time or on time and do my work properly. So I have to really, really love it and like it to do it. 13 is, what's that one thing that being an actor has given you, something which no other profession would give you? This is from Mandy, Vandana Parvez. And I think satisfaction. I don't think I would have been happier in any other profession. I would have lived in the sense I would have been breathing, but I would have not been living. So as an actor, what I have achieved is I have achieved a life which I like. Will you be interested in doing a Pakistani serial? Of course. If I get a good project, yes, of course. Of course, is also there. This means that you will not be based in Pakistan for your project, but outside, elsewhere, as these days there are making a lot of serials outside Pakistan. I think I answered the question before even finishing the question. This is from Amri in Dubai. Yes, is the answer. Which is the favorite scene as Sahir in Hamsafars? This is from Kuba. There are so many scenes. There are so many scenes out of which one I like is in bits and pieces. There are so many I can think of. Like Phat 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 मुझे याद आ रहा है. I think I really like those scenes of the flight chunk, 5th episode. I like that whole manipulating Arzu into getting married thing. Whole swimming pool chunk of falling and basically blackmailing her to get married, proving a point that yes, I do love you. And that scene with Zaki when he comes in inside his room and he's sleeping and he says something that I will not let you do something, and that sort. That scene. Then there's this confrontation scene where all three of us are standing there and she says, she walks off from there. Arzu walks off from there saying, I hate Zaki and I hate Sahir, and she walks away. And that reaction of mine. There was one scene with Anam Bhabi. It's uska end. There was something I had done. I tried doing it again. I could never achieve it again. It was something I twisted my head and said something. So there's so many. सबसे ज़्यादा इसी में बोला हुआ मैंने. Okay. 16th. Moving on. What quality you want in your life? Garima Singh, Amna, Jagreet, Radhika, and Tehseen. I wish I knew. I don't know. I think somebody who can handle me, tolerate me. I don't know. So done. We are done with 16 questions. जब कुछ होता नहीं है बताने के लिए, बात करने के लिए, तब मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ. अभी बर्थडे के केक्स I will upload it on Facebook and Twitter both. यार बर्थडे अभी हो गया, इसका अभी काम पे मिलेंगे भाई. अभी I'll get lost again because जब हम लोग काम करते रहते हैं ना, we don't really get time. There are so many things I want to do that time, but I can't because I don't have time. I'm running on somebody else's clock. So this is my clock, and I really like, if nothing else, I like sleeping also. So, but as soon as and whenever needed and required, I think I'll be there. And I want to really thank everyone from Telechaska, everyone, all three of you. आप लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं मेरा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. इतने सारी गिफ्ट्स लेकर आए हैं, इतने सारे लोगों के मैसेजेस लेकर आए हैं. That write-up you have given me, these questions. Thank you very much for making this. For starting my year like this, and inshallah, hopefully, God willingly, the year ahead will be very, very nice for me, for all of you, and thank you.